Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing remedy that helps you to calm down your puffy eye and as well as removing your eye circle. Yeah, okay, so this ice cube, oh my god, it's amazing. Like, it removes your puffy eye rapidly like magic. Okay, this is not magic, but you have to use it again. If it does not bring down your puffy eye in 24 hours, you need to use it again at most 3 days and your puffy eye is going to go down. And also remember to give yourself a little rest, like sleep a little, so that when you apply it, it's going to go down like magic. Okay guys, so if you want to know what the ingredient is, please do continue watching and don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let me take you right into this video. Okay guys, so to get rid of dark circles and equally a puffy eye, we're gonna be needing to use sugar. This is sugar. Now, because sugar is great for the skin, it helps to scrub out the skin. Now when we mix the sugar, the granite particles is not going to be there anymore, so it's just going to be the sugariness that is going to help to remove the darkness around your skin. Okay, so now I'm going to be turning the sugar into this mix. Yeah, and this is it. So the next ingredient is gonna be egg, and in this guys we're gonna be using just the egg white. Now egg white is a great remedy that helps so much in tightening up your skin, and it helps to reduce the puffiness of our eye, and it helps to remove dark eye circles. Removing just the whites of the egg, basically. And that is it. Okay, so after successfully doing that, then you're gonna give that a stir. And then go. Okay, okay guys, so the next ingredient is going to be rice, and we're going to be using the rice water. We're basically not going to be using the rice particles itself, we're going to be using just the rice water. So this is how we're going to be achieving that. Yeah, so I'm going to be scooping in the rice. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be putting in water. And then I'm going to be mixing it up really good. I'm going to be keeping it aside for it to settle, so I can actually sieve out the juice of the rice. So we're equally going to be making use of potato. Now potato is a great remedy that helps so much to rejuvenate and brighten up the skin. It helps to maintain an even clear skin, and it also tone up the skin, removing darkness and puffy eye and eye circles. Okay, so now it would have to be have to blend it. Pour a little bit of water to enable the blending. Okay, so after doing that, then I will have to be sieving it out. I'll be needing just the juice of this. So I'm going to be sieving it out. Yeah. And this is a great and much juice. Yeah. And then pour in the juice in here and mix it. I'll equally grab the rice, pour in the juice, like that's the rice water, and this is the rice itself. Mix it all together. Okay, now to make this work really better, because we're actually working on the eye area, you need vitamin E. Vitamin E contains a lactic acid and vitamin E itself, which helps to even out and make the skin really plump. Yeah, so we're gonna be putting much of that, and gonna be mixing it. Now you mix it up really good. There are different ways of applying this, guys, okay, and I'm going to be showing you some of one or two ways in which you can apply this. Yeah, so let's go to the washroom, but for this you can actually apply it at least 2 times in a week, yeah, to remove the puffy eye and the dark eye circle. Okay guys, so after doing that, then you can grab your ice container and then you put in the liquid into it. And there you go. So now I'll have to go refrigerate this. Yeah, and I have to go and put this in the freezer. Okay guys, so this is it, and this particular one is not going to, you know, be blocked because of the ingredients, which is just gonna stay really chill. Okay, so this is okay, here it is, and what you're gonna do is to grab this, yeah, and just put it under your eye area. Okay, so this particular one don't block. You guys know Nigerians don't have, we actually do not have lights, so I'm actually using generator to freeze this, so it didn't freeze very well. So you just use it and then you massage at that place. Massage there really well. Let the coolness be there. There's no puffy eye that is going to escape this. No puffy eye. Yeah, no eye circle going to escape this. Like, they're actually going to be going off. So you just leave it there. Leave the eyes there. If you can get yours to block, you just leave the eyes around there, just like that. You rub it. When you rub it, guys, it's actually gonna be very uncomfortable. Yeah, I'm actually looking for some eyes here. This is an eyes. It's actually gonna be very uncomfortable, just like this. Rub it there. Very uncomfortable, but it's the best for your um, puffy eye and your eye bag. Looking for eyes. Okay, I got some eyes. Your puffy eye and your eye bag is gone with this. So you put that there, and then after which you've applied it, just like I applied this right now. Oh my god, you have to wait. It's going to be very uncomfortable. If you can actually keep the block there, the eyes cube there, you know, just like or if you can't hold it, because when you hold it, it's gonna be very uncomfortable. But if you can't hold it, you can just be massaging it down there. Like, trust me, in 24 hours your eye is gonna get whiter. That's number one. And your puffy eye is gonna come down. Your eye circles is gonna gradually fade off, because it's not going to like fade off overnight, but your puffy eye is going to come down like really well, and you're going to be feeling the chillness in your eye, inside of your eye. It is perfect because you're actually calming the nerves or in your eye. Okay, you're actually calming the nerves in your eye. Yeah, and your eye is not going to get red. That's just why I said your eyes are going to get really white. Yeah, so go try this, and I'm sure number one is going to be uncomfortable. Do not let it get into your eyes, okay, because it is not for in your internal eye, it's for your external eye. Okay, and you're good to go. Why not give this a go? You're not going to regret you did, trust me. So that's it, guys. That's how I kind of take care of my skin, you know, removing any puffy eye and any eye circle with this beautiful eyes that is so chilling, it's so cooling, and it's so amazing. Yeah, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Bye.